Hello everybody, I am Dr. Sudhanshu. I am DNB Family Medicine postgraduate and I am a consultant physician. Today I'll be speaking something about disability on this World Disability Day. First of all, I would like to explain what disability means. Disability means any impairment in physical, mental capability that reduces our ability to do any to perform any activity or responsible which can be normally performed by other individuals. So disability is not new to our human civilization. Since time era we have been facing disability in all part of the world. And with the progression of civilization, disability handling has also progressively increased, and it has shown that we are now better capable of handling disability and increase their capability to the maximum level. Disability is a global problem. It's not a problem of a society, country, or a continent. It's a global problem. So whole world is facing the problem of disability. Disability does not mean that he or she has to be barred from rights, but he or she has equal right to entertain each and every aspect of human life. Rather, handling of disability is the sign of civilized society. How well you are able to handle disability and how well and how much prioritizing you are given to the disabled person. In one of the data I have studied that 80% of the world disabled population is living in developing country. So it's the responsibility of the developing nation to emphasize the facility for the disabled person so that we can increase the capability individually and also for the nation. In this current situation of global pandemic COVID-19, disability plays a very important role because disabled individuals sometime in some aspects has more prone to develop COVID or more prone to have difficult consequences of COVID sequelae. So the theme of 2020 World Disability Day is better we will build, means we will try our best to build better scenario, better circumstances and better infrastructure for disabled people. In this modern era of advanced media, telecommunication, video conferencing, so we have better approach to handle uh, disabled person in a medical aspect. Suppose somebody is having some problem, he or she is facing some difficulty to reach out the real specialist or um, real person for better counseling. So telemedication has come up to be a boon in such situation where any person in any part of the world with a facility of um, telemedicine can approach real concerned individual for better counseling and better evaluation so that things can be carried out in a effective scientific manner rather than on assumption basis and with negligence. So overall I would like to conclude that it is everybody's responsibility to take care of disabled person, emphasizing the progress of disabled person, giving priority to the disabled person so that he or she also can contribute to the maximum level possible, and in return that contribution goes for the society, goes for the state, goes for the country, and finally goes for the development of the world. So thank you very much for listening to me, and we all want everybody to look in a different way for disabled people from now onwards. Thank you very much.